Express by Chatterbox. Chatterbox, the famous restaurant at Mandarin Orchard Hotel. This is an express outlet at OUE Downtown. A cafeteria concept. You order and pay for your food and find a seat and wait for your number to be called. I'm here to try the famous chicken rice. Order the signature combo meal for $12.80. It looks like this, nicely served in a tray. There's a mini spicy tofu, the sauces and condiments, ginger, black soy sauce, small bowl of soup, and chicken breast meat. Really good, really nice, awesome. The chicken was soft and tender, even though it was chicken breast, and surprisingly flavorful. Well, very good. After the meal, went to have some coffee at this espresso, they call it 6 ounce, and had a cup of cappuccino. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day. Goodbye.